Yo, Scott here, back again, talking to you about e-commerce dropshipping tips. Some of the things that I wish I would have known before I got started, which is finding the sweet spot product, guys. There's a sweet spot product. I just want to talk about that real quick. So let's just imagine in your mind, what is that sweet spot product? Well, it's about like $5 to $10 product. That's the sweet spot, baby. So it's like a $5 iPhone case or a $7 bra, or it could be like a $10 sandals. You see what I mean? You have that sweet spot. And what that does is it gives you room for error. Like, let's say you have an angry customer, right? Okay, no problem. Here's a free ring. Here's a free $5 ring. Take the ring. I'm sending it to your house. Don't worry. Take it. Don't send me the new one, the old one. I don't care. You see what I mean, guys? When you have a little bit smaller product to work with in price, the sweet spot, then you're able to handle customers. You're able to buy products, inventory. You're able to just to do things without less risk. You have less risk. Now, if you have a product that's $20 and up, you have more risk. You're going to need more capital, and you're going to be higher risk, guys. So you definitely don't want to do that. You want to find that sweet spot product, and that's where I've made most of all my millions, guys, with e-commerce, is that sweet spot product. $5, $6, $7, $8, $10. I did get into a product that was a little bit over $20, but I don't recommend it. And that's my best expert advice to you guys today. E-commerce millionaires, don't get into those high-end products. Find the sweet spot product. That's my best advice, guys. Take care. Peace.